I'm so excited to show you guys some products from Aimike. So let's get into it. As you can see, we have a lot to unpack for you guys. They sent me these 5 products and I'm going to unbox them for you guys. Also, can we talk about this packaging? Like, I'm so obsessed with like the green and brown color combo. But let's open it up. A little rough, it's because I got a little excited and I already opened it. I'll show you each of the brushes. This is the Nano Pro hairbrush. It's a round bore bristle brush. I'm loving this like whole aesthetic of the gold and everything. And this barrel size is 1.7 inches or 43 millimeters. Next is the Round Blowout Brush. And the diameter of like this part is the 1.7 inch. Right off the bat, you can tell that they're very different. This one has kind of a more like wide circumference looking, kind of like if you want a more voluminous look, I'm predicting. So I'm going to be trying this on this side of my hair and this one on this side of my hair to see the difference. They also sent me this detangling hairbrush. This is the Hemp Relax hairbrush. Very cute, very cute. I love how like basically everything is pink. And lastly, I hate having my hair in my face, so I'm glad that I have these 2 packs of hair clips. These ones are black and white, and I'll show you this one. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Like the rose gold, everything. I'm loving this pink hair. Okay, so I have my freshly washed hair, and I'm just going to take out my
DM or just say Debussy? That's what they played at the spring.
I know, but there's frankly a lot of, which was, we had sex, which was.
So I'm going to go in with the round brush now, and I'm just going to go under and all the way through and just get like that tension, and then we're going to start with the dryer. Also guys, please don't judge. I have a bunch of frizz right here from when I was younger and I cut my hair. Okay, so obviously I'll show you guys it clearer once I get on my next section, because I am still doing a little trail here, but this is where I got the first Let me talk about that length difference. Can we talk about it? So I gave myself a little trim because she was looking crusty. So I found it helpful that when you're doing it, that you kind of focus on individual sections of like the hair. So like the root, the middle, and then the end. But it's easier just to focus on one part at a time. So building my tension will stay just to the root. And I'm just gonna Okay guys, we're done with this side, which was this brush. I'm loving the fully stretched out length look. I'm gonna go touch up my hair. And I'm loving the length of it, so now it's doing this. Okay guys, I have both of my sides now blown out. So just a reminder, this one was from this side and this brush was for this side. I know this looks a little crazy because I put all of it in the front, but as you can see in the difference that this one kind of went from more like a, this one went from like a down straight look and this one went more for like an out and like voluminous, voluminous look. I don't know if I'm gonna put this at the beginning or like towards the end of the video, but I just wanted to quickly talk about some of the benefits of like stretching out, blowing out your hair on occasion. One thing is that it causes less breakage. Your hair isn't like all curly and sucking and like interlocking with each other. There will ultimately be less breakage and less tangling and less fairy knots, which will really be the killers. So it'll help you retain length as long as you're keeping it healthy. Heat wise, I'm very careful with heat. I don't use it very often, and when I do, I'm overusing that heat protectant. So you can basically just like leave it alone. I mean, you can also leave your natural hair alone, which is like what I do most of the time. It just makes certain hairstyles easier. Like, okay, side. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.